Hi everyone, I am Shahan. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will tell you about SALTER-Harris classification. SALTER-Harris classification is remembered as SALTER, S-A-L-T-E-R. So S means number 1, S, that means separated growth plate. Separated growth plate, number 1. Number 2 is above growth plate. Number 2A, that means above growth plate. Number 3 is L, that means below growth plate. Number 3L, that means below growth plate. Number 4 T, that means through growth plate. Number 4 T, that means through growth plate. And number 5 is ER, that means eraser of growth plate. So the growth plate is not there. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and please subscribe this channel. Please write down in the comment section below if you like this.